I feel lonely. I still feel lonely.
Aww, I'm sorry.
You won't be lonely anymore because I'm Supergirl.
Oh my god, okay, there was a car sitting over there, and it was sitting there for like an hour, probably not an hour, but it felt like an hour, and they didn't leave till like 10 minutes ago, and I think they were waiting for us to leave.
No way. I know they were waiting for us to leave.
Mm-hmm.
Because as soon as you waved to them, and I'm thinking they saw you, they closed up their window and they left flying away.
I know! Like, what's so bad about me that they would have to run away? I mean, I'm not a bad person, as far as you know, but... yeah, I'm not doing that. Where's my glass? My voice sounds really bad.
No. I don't know. I didn't touch it.
Anyway. Show them what the park looks like.
So,
Show them what the park looks like.
yeah, that'll work too.
Look at me. Good now.
It's a wet and rainy, blah-ish day, as you can tell.
Ow, I just pulled my elbow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Amanda, you should still get me a picture. Not a picture. I can't talk. I'm done really bad.
Okay, so, I'm not quite sure what to do for a video, so give us a couple of ideas, please. And maybe we can do them.
We've been making a video for 2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Wow, and how much time do we have left?
40 minutes?
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Nah! I just don't want to even...
Are we going to keep this one or are we going to restart?
I don't even want to make text right now.
Why?
I don't know. I just felt like that was completely awkward the whole time.
Exactly.
I was completely left out. Not my fault.
It's not my fault either.
No.
Ah, shit! Your phone hates me.
Okay, so,
Yeah, should we restart?
no, actually, let's see what we got here. Bop,
Okay.
bop. Just to be random.